Do you know that the incidence of infertility is increasing globally? What used to be an incidence of something like 10 to 15%, now it is said, according to the latest World Health Organization data, ranges anywhere between 80 to as high as 24% in certain countries. Who is this going to affect? The young generation of today, the youth of today. And is there a reason why infertility is increasing? Are we paying enough attention to it? Are we really worried about how to maintain our fertility? IVF is a wonderful technology and it is a great advancement as treatment for people who have infertility and a wonderful tool to embrace. However, does everybody require IVF? Can we do something to ensure that we protect and maintain our fertility and reproduction and pave way towards natural parenthood? Whether you're looking at enhancing your own fertility naturally or looking at ways and means and the many mechanisms through which you can even ensure a much higher pregnancy rate even if you're going through IVF and you want to know what it entails, then join us at Xenith Advanced Fertility Center on the occasion of World IVF Day. Thank you.